Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to see who viewed your Instagram profile. So if you want to keep the privacy and want to make sure who get to your profile and just simply stalk you, then I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to simply open up the Instagram app, and if you don't have it, you can get it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you have it, click onto its icon, and after that you have to go to your profile. So for that, click onto the profile icon, and then you have to make sure you have a professional account. If not, then you can go to the settings, then you can scroll down and you will have to find the option for the account type. I already have the professional account, so maybe I have different options, but you have the find the option for switch account type, and then you have to click onto the option for professional account. I already have it, therefore I couldn't find that option. Then simply get back to your profile. Now here's a small trick you have to do to get to know who comes to your profile or who stalks you. So what you have to do is that you have to upload a new story and add it into your highlight. And after 24 hours, you will be able to see who has viewed it other than your followers. So simply upload a story, and once it get uploaded, then you have to wait for a while, and then you have to reopen it, and then you have to simply add it into your any highlight. So for that option, you have to click onto it, and at the bottom you will see the option for highlight. Click onto it. If you already don't have any highlight, you can just simply create a new one at the moment and simply add it there. Now once you go to its inside, you will see a specific section for the non-followers, and through which you will be able to see which person comes to your profile and sees your highlight. So by that way you will get to know that this person is not following you and they comes to your profile, sees your profile, or maybe watches your stories. So that means they are stalking or just viewing your profile. So that's how you will get the idea. So that's it. This is how you can see who viewed your profile on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.